This 2015 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 36LA is a Class A RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by Crevel's RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This used Tiffin is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, water heater, oven, refrigerator, microwave, air conditioning, stovetop burner, smoke detector, slide-out, TV, carbon monoxide detector, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A RV features bath and a half, outdoor entertainment. This 2015 Tiffin Open Road Allegro 36LA is built on a Ford F-Series Super Duty chassis and is powered by a Triton engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Crevel's RV.